Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Today I want to compare three phone rear camera. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, look at. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus against the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 against the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, as you can see, and I want to compare all of them. Okay, I have the three phones here and I want to compare the camera. Okay, just to see which the best to take photo with the rear camera. Okay, the rear camera. This is what I want to do right now, and to do this I have took three photos and I want just to compare this with you. Are you ready? Don't forget to like and share and stay ready. Okay, as you can see, this is my iMac 5K. Look at, okay, iMac 5K 27 inches. Now I have phone shot. Yeah, this is all images that I took to make this video. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I took three pictures. The first picture is from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The second picture is from the Note 8, and to finish, the S9 Plus. All of them have the same picture. Let's start by the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, because this is 2017 phone. 2017 phone. Okay, look at his picture. Look at how it look like. Look at very well. You can see Note 8 here. Look at all of them has 12 megapixel in the rear camera. 12 megapixel. Okay, now you can go. Now open another picture, the S9 Plus, because this is 2018 phone. Let's open. As you can see, this is the S9 Plus picture. Look at how it look like very well. Look at how it look like. What do you think? Now you have two pictures here. Two pictures in front of you. The face is for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, as you can see. And this is for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, bro. Which is better? Which is better? Look at very well. Look at the details. Okay, S9, Note 8, S9 and Note 8. For me, the Note 8 has more contrast than the S9 Plus, and the S9 Plus has more saturation than the Note 8. Definitely. Look at here. Look at very well. Here, look at here. Look at just here. More saturation here. More saturation for the S9 Plus. No, for the Note 8, as you can see here. Now look at the S9 Plus picture now. Look very well. Can you see this? More saturation in the S9 Plus picture. More saturation. Look at. This is for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. There is contrast. There are more contrast. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, more saturation. Now, what about the iPhone? What about the iPhone now? Okay, now let's open iPhone picture just to see how it look like. Okay, the iPhone picture, the iPhone 12 is 2020 phone. 2024. Now open. Ooh, look at that. Wow. For me, the Samsung Galaxy, no, the iPhone, the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max has more, this is natural picture. Natural picture. You need to edit this and add saturation if you want. And there are also contrast. This is also contrast. There are also contrast. First picture is between the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Definitely. Because there are contrast, there are more light, there are more brightness, there are also, there are not saturation. There are contrast, more brightness. In the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, there are more brightness than the Note 9. This is what I think, and look at. This is not a joke. Now, let me compare all of them. Okay? Let me compare all of them face to face. Are you ready? Are you ready? Don't forget to click on sharp and stay ready. The Samsung Galaxy, the iPhone, Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max is here. Now, I'm looking for the S9 Plus picture. The S9 Plus picture is here. The S9 Plus photo is here. Now, let me do this. No. This. Okay, this is good. Now, let's open the Note 8 picture. Change its position for what? Something like that. Beautiful. Now you have in front of you all of first pictures. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is here. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is here. And the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is here. Which is the best picture that you like? Which is the best photo that you like? Who is the best big photo that you like right now? Who is the best? Make your choice right now. And look at here, look at here, look at face, look at that, and look at from the Note. Oh, what are you doing? Okay, beautiful. Look at here, just the umber here, and look at the umber here of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It's very different, very different. For more contrast definitely in the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 than all of them, definitely than more contrast in the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 than the iPhone, than the S9 Plus, definitely. And there are more saturation in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, than the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 also. Ha ha ha. And wow, what do you like? Look at very well the picture of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at the onboard here, just here, just here. Look at very well here. Look at for the Samsung Galaxy S9. No, look at for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at it's almost the same. I think that there are more saturation in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Definitely! Oh, definitely. You believe it? You believe it? All of them has a good phone, a good photo phone, and this is nice. For me, all of them are great, but the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus gives to you a beautiful picture. So use it because of little saturation. If you want a picture that you don't want to edit after, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is the best phone that you can take right now. And if you want a phone with more contrast, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is definitely the phone that you need. And if you want a phone with natural picture, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the best for you right now. There are more light. If you want a phone with more light, more brightness, the iPhone 12 Pro Max still definitely the phone for you. You can edit this picture after easily. You can edit this picture after. You can change everything. You can add contrast. You can add saturation. You can add everything. This is what I think. Now let me zoom and show you here. Look at the details of this picture. Now do the same thing with the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 picture and look at what you have. Okay, now open, do the same action for the S9 Plus. Now look at what you have here. Okay, nice. Now who has more detail? Who do you like? When we talking about details or something, who do you like? The Note 8, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. All of them has 12 megapixel, 12 megapixel, brother, 12 megapixel for all of them. Wow. For me, I think that Apple need to increase its megapixel. Seriously, because 12 megapixel is good, but it's not how I can say to this in English for you. It's not enough. I need more megapixel. I need more megapixel, brother. But as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, still a great phone to take pictures in 2021, even in 2022. Definitely, if you want to buy a phone for, if you want to buy a budget phone right now, bro, you have the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. You don't need to spend so much money on iPhone 13, iPhone 12 Pro Max, or something. No, you need Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus or Samsung Galaxy Note 8 to take your photo when we're talking about photo. And but if you want to recording videos, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is definitely the phone that you need to recording videos, because you can use this phone with third applications, third camera, third application camera. Seriously, is just too real. Is true when we're talking about this. But when we come back on picture, on photo, bro, Samsung devices like iPhone, like Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, like 8 can give you a good picture. Seriously, definitely. Now, say to me what you think about this under this video, and now I see you later for more videos. Seriously, I'm so shocked by this result, because this iPhone 12 Pro Max is definitely expensive, very expensive. You know, Apple product every time very expensive. But look at what you have like results here when we're talking about photo. Wow, no great difference. 12 megapixel is 12 megapixel. When you want to buy a phone and you see 12 megapixel, bro, you will have something like that. No difference. I recommend you to buy a phone with more megapixel to have more details in photo and or in your pictures. Brother, this is what I think. This is camera photo comparison between all of this. This is like camera test. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you, and now I see you later for the next video, for it. And also that this video useful. If it's useful, like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Look at all of this. I'm just shocked. I'm shocked. Why Apple? Why Apple? I think that I need more megapixel right now. Ha ha ha. Thanks for watching.